Festivals are times of rejoicing. Festivals are times when we get together with our families and friends, exchange sweets, pleasantries, savories. At this moment of rejoicing, in this special season of Pongal, I would love to gently remind each one of you that it is time for us to get in touch with nature. It is time for us to connect ourselves with nature. It is time for us to be full of love and gratitude to the 5 most important messengers of nature. 1. The beautiful sun who shines and shines and gives and gives and gives to all beings here, who's a harbinger of all the beautiful and bountiful crops that nurtures and nourishes our life and nurtures our body and mind, the home of our beautiful soul. Number 2, the wind that contributes to movement and nurtures growth. Number 3, water that nourishes and nurtures the flow of growth. And 4, Mother Earth, who provides the space for these crops to grow in, to live in, and provides a space for each one of us to live in, and patiently nurtures us day after day after day in every way possible. And number 5, the space which makes everything possible here. So as we remember to connect ourselves with love and gratitude to these 5 most important messengers of nature, we can see our lives being bountifully blessed with love and beautiful relationships with everyone all around. As we nurture our relationships with family and friends, remember every day to nurture and nourish your relationship with these 5 most important messengers of nature with love and gratitude. As it is a simple law of nature, as we give, so do we receive. Try this and you will see a remarkable change in your life. Signing off with lots of love, Shobana at LivininLove Center, which is a special space that guides your well-being physically, mentally, emotionally and spiritually. We have given our WhatsApp numbers below. For guidance, you can contact us.